Alrighty, let's talk about graphing inequalities. Okay, remember that the less than sign looks like a squishy L. The greater than sign is the opposite. Less than or equal to has that line underneath it, and the greater than or equal to also has that line underneath it. Okay, when we are graphing inequalities, we need to talk about closed dot versus open dot, or closed circle versus open circle. Okay, I remember it that the easier signs, so the more simple signs, less than and greater than, have that easier dot. Then when the or equal to comes into play, you have closed dots. Okay, what's the difference? Basically, if you have a closed dot, that's a symbol that the number you're focusing on can be a potential answer for that inequality. Okay, we'll talk about that more later. Let's do our first example. X is less than 6, so you have to be smaller than 6. Remember, there's a whole bunch of options to make this true. 5, 4, 3 are 3 potential answers, okay, but there's more than that. Is 6 a solution to the inequality? In this case, no, because you have to be less than 6. Because you have the less than sign, if you go back up to your table, you're going to need that open dot, okay? I'm going to put 6 in the middle, go 1 below, 1 above, okay? And I know I'm focusing on that 6. I need my open dot, and I have to be smaller than 6, okay? So that shows me that 6 is kind of the starting point, but 6 is not included, but anything less than 6 is included. Next example, x is greater than or equal to 3. So you can be 3 or more, okay? Is 3 a solution? In this case, yes, which means we need that closed dot. So I'm going to focus on 3, 1 below, 1 above. And I have my closed dot at 3, which means that my starting point is 3 and 3 is included. Then I need to be bigger than 3, so it's going to be anything to the right, or 3 and anything to the right. Okay, let's move on to the next page. And let's erase all this. We don't need that. Here we go. X is greater than 100. So you can be 101, 102, 103, and so on and so forth. Is 100 a solution to this inequality? No. Okay, remember that when we have that easy sign, the easier sign, I guess, the greater than sign, you're going to need that open dot. Here we go. This would be 100. 1 below is 99. 1 above is 101. Okay, and I'm starting at 100. I need that open dot because 100 is not included, but I have to be bigger. Okay, I have to be bigger than 100, so you're going to move to the right. Last one. X is less than or equal to 14, so you can be 14 or anything smaller. Okay, is 14 included? Yes. So we're going to need that closed dot. Remember, 14 should be kind of in the center of your number line. 1 below is 13, 1 above is 15, and I need that closed dot because 14 is included. And remember, I need to be 14 or smaller. There you go.